we're asked to plot the fractions 2/3, negative 2/3, 7/3, and negative 9/3 on the number line, then write any improper fractions as mixed numbers. Notice for all the fractions, the denominators are 3. Because of this, we will cut each length equal to 1 unit into 3 equally sized parts or lengths. Looking at the number line, the distance between 0 and 1 is equal to 1 unit. We will now cut this length into 3 equally sized parts or lengths. The smaller lengths are now equal to 1/3 of a unit. We will do this for each length equal to 1 unit, which is the distance between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 0 and -1, -1 and -2, and -2 and -3. Now the length between tick marks is equal to 1/3 of a unit, and we can plot the 4 fractions. Positive 2/3 is located 2/3 of a unit to the right of 0. Starting at 0 and counting by 1/3, we have 0, 1/3, 2/3. We can also think of 2/3 as 2 copies of 1/3. Negative 2/3 is located 2/3 of a unit to the left of 0. Starting at 0 and moving left, we count by negative 1/3. We have 0, negative 1/3, negative 2/3. We can view negative 2/3 as 2 copies of negative 1/3. Notice how these two fractions are the same distance from 0, which is why they are called opposites. The next fraction is 7/3, which is located 7/3 of a unit to the right of 0. Starting at 0, moving to the right, we count by 1/3. We have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, which is equal to 1, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, which is equal to 2, and 7/3. We can view 7/3 as 7 copies of 1/3. And then finally we have negative 9/3, which is located 9/3 of a unit to the left of 0. Starting at 0, moving to the left, we count by negative 1/3. So here we know we have negative 2/3, then negative 3/3, which is equal to negative 1, negative 4/3, negative 5/3, negative 6/3, which is equal to negative 2, negative 7/3, negative 8/3, and finally negative 9/3. Notice how negative 9/3 is equal to negative 3. For the second part of this question, we're asked to write any improper fractions as mixed numbers. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Notice 7/3 and negative 9/3 are improper fractions. Notice that 7/3 is greater than 2 and less than 3. If we start at 2 and count by 1/3, we have 2 and then 2 and 1/3. 2 and 1/3 is the mixed number for the improper fraction 7/3. Then looking at negative 9/3, notice how we can see negative 9/3 is equal to negative 3. I hope you found this helpful.